Hello and welcome. My name is Shelton, and today I'll be sharing with you my investment summary for Rivian Automotive. The purpose of this presentation is to inform you on the workings of Rivian Automotive to better help your future investing. Now I'll be doing that by breaking down the current EV market, and then we'll have a look at Rivian in particular in that market. We'll have a look at their capabilities, their competition, and their current market position, and then their strategic direction to help assess their viability for investing. Let's start by looking at the current electric vehicle market state. Now, currently, the market is worth over $1 trillion USD. Now, Tesla makes up the vast majority of that at over 980 billion. And there are a lot of companies that fall under that in the under 50 billion category. Now, currently, the global market for electric vehicles is increasing by about 200% per year. So back in 2019, it made up 2.5% of the market. Then in 2020, 4.1%, and 2021, 9%. Now let's look further into the EV market at Rivian. Rivian is the premium electric vehicle dealer. They specialize in SUV, vans, and pickups for off-road and on-road use. They promise a higher range and rugged reliability, higher than anything else in the market, with an estimated value of $60 billion. They are also financially backed by Amazon and Ford Automotive. So who or what are behind the wheel at Rivian? Well, the market capital is increasing exponentially, as we saw previously. But what is causing this? Environmental factors have a large impact on electric vehicle sales, as well as the cost of living. Electric vehicles are cheaper for city goers, and as these cities increase, so too will the need for electric vehicles. Now, the technology and innovation in Rivian's vehicles is what is currently keeping them ahead of the curve. Their vehicles having the longest battery life is what makes them the company they are. Their modular design is something that is new to the EV market, being able to customize the vehicle to the user, as well as their financial backing from Ford Automotive and Amazon, which contributes largely to their success. So can Rivian compete with the big dog that is Tesla? Well, based on the market capital, you might not think so, but let's look at some other factors. Tesla's focus is very much on the city suburban driver. SUV, small hatch, sedan, that is their jam. Rivian is targeting the off-road, heavy-duty, hardware uses for vehicles. Now, along with that, Tesla has already expanded globally, whereas Rivian is still in a relatively small market. Once this market increases, Rivian's market capital will definitely increase. Now, this is further backed by their current future plans. Tesla is about to launch their Cybertruck in the end of 2023, whereas Rivian is planning to be fully global by the end of 2022. These are all factors that skew into Rivian's favor for future growth. Now, is Rivian too late to the show? I think not. With Rivian's unique market position, they'll be able to set themselves aside from Tesla, who currently has a large stranglehold on the market. Rivian is currently the third highest globally ranked electric vehicle distributor. With 200% year-on-year increase and the rollout of its first pickups and SUVs, Rivian will definitely be able to regain some of the market capital that Tesla currently holds. So what are the main factors affecting Rivian in the future? Well, currently they are working towards a global launch. This will contribute massively to their success. As well as this, their ability to use technology and combine that with well-timed releases and management systems for their production will all contribute to a successful product launch. Whilst doing this, they will need to combat the effects of their competitors, material restrictions, and the market direction. By successfully doing this, they will succeed. Thank you for listening. I hope this provided information that helps you better invest in Rivian.